Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So, I'm your Priyanka ma'am and today I'm going to talk about Kiwi. They are birds that found in New Zealand that cannot fly. They belong to the group of flightless birds but are much smaller and shorter legged than the other birds of this group. They have loose hair-like feathers, strong legs and no tails. With the help of brown feathers, they easily blend into the ground. They have strong, musty smell. They have small eyes and are nocturnal, meaning most active at night. They are the only birds which have nostrils at the tip of its long beak, which helps them to find food. Kiwis are omnivores. They munch on worms, bugs, grubs, seeds and berries. They prefer to live in burrows they make in forested areas. They lay enormous eggs related to their small size, which are smooth in texture and are ivory or greenish white. These small birds are the national bird of New Zealand. They live for between 25 and 50 years. Now, let's begin today's rhyme. So let's get started. Do you know the Kiwi bird, the Kiwi bird, the Kiwi bird? Do you know the Kiwi bird who likes to sing with me? Oh, he loves the letter K, the letter K, the letter K. Oh, he loves the letter K and likes to sing with me. Do you know the Kiwi bird, the Kiwi bird, the Kiwi bird? Do you know the Kiwi bird who likes to sing with me? Oh, he loves the letter K, the letter K, the letter K. Oh, he loves the letter K and likes to sing with me. Let's sing it again. Do you know the Kiwi bird, the Kiwi bird, the Kiwi bird? Do you know the Kiwi bird who likes to sing with me? Oh, he loves the letter K, the letter K, the letter K. Oh, he loves the letter K and likes to sing with me. Do you know the Kiwi bird, the Kiwi bird, the Kiwi bird? Do you know the Kiwi bird who likes to sing with me? Oh, he loves the letter K, the letter K, the letter K. Oh, he loves the letter K and likes to sing with me. If you like my today's rhyme, then hit like button, share it with your friends and family. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, hit subscribe button too. Okay, bye.